Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lottie animation in Flutter, and I'm going to show you how to control Lottie animation with the animation controller in Flutter. Okay, I have created this new Flutter project and I have opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the leaf folder, and inside the leaf folder let's create new file. I'm going to say home screen dot file, and here let's create stateful widget, and let's send the class name to home screen. Okay, let's return here scaffold. Okay, now open the main.dart file, and let's remove this stateless widget, and let's create new stateless widget. Let's send the class name to my app. Give the material app. Okay, let's return here the material app and give the home to the material app, that home screen we have just created. And you will get this blank white screen. Now let's remove this debug banner by making debug show check mode banner to false inside the material app, and this will remove this banner. Now let's close this main.dart file. Now let's open up the browser and go to the pop.deb and search for Lottie package. Okay, you will get this package over here, which has like 1.26 million downloads from now. For now, click on this package. Okay, click on the installing tab and copy this command line, or you can just copy this and add to the dependency in the popspec.yml file. I'm going to run this command in the terminal in the project directory in the VS Code. Okay, it will add the, if you open up the popspec.yml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Okay, now open the home screen.dart file and give the body column, give the children to the column, and type Lottie. Okay, import this Lottie.dart package. As you can see, Lottie package has been imported to this file. Now type dot and click on the network. Okay, let's click on the readme tab, and as you can see, this is how you can use the network animation, or you can use the JSON file like this. You can use the Lottie animation directly from the network like this. Okay, let's use this one from the network. Here is the network image. Make the main axis element to the center. Okay, now let's wrap this column with the center widget. Okay, let's wrap this Lottie.network with the size box. Give the height 400 and width to 400 also, and give the fit property to the Lottie.network. Make the box fit dot content. Okay, this is how you can resize the animation. Okay, so open the browser again. Let's use the offset file. Go to the lottiefiles.com and let's search for animation. I'm going to search loading animation, and here are some loading animation. Let's use some. Let's use this one. Click on that and click on the open, and click on this. Download this Lottie JSON. Okay, here you go. Let's open this file, and I downloaded this one earlier. Let's delete this. Let's rename this to loading. Okay, let's create new folder inside the leaf folder. Let's create the folder, assets folder, and let's drag this JSON file to the assets folder. Okay, now let's open the pop spectre to YML file and let's give the path roll down. Focus here. Let's set the path of depth of loading or assets folder. Give the folder name like this and open the home screen.bat file. And here let's remove this network to asset. Let's remove this link. Okay. Now let's give the path of that loading.json. Leak slash assets slash loading dot json. Okay, here we go. Here is the animation that is coming from this. This is loading here. Okay, now let's over here type with single ticker provider state mixin. Okay, to use a multiple animation controller, you have to uh, give this one ticker provider state mixin. Okay, I'm going to use single ticker provider mixing because I'm only going to use animation controller once. Okay, let's define the animation controller here. Let final animation controller inside the init state. Give this controller animation controller using this. Okay, it has to define some way. Okay, initially it will load the animation controller. Okay, now let's dispose this controller to prevent the memory leak. Okay, perfect. Now give the controller over here. That controller we have defined on top. Give the Lottie controller, that animation controller we have defined over here. Okay. Okay, now let's reload the app. Okay, it's not animating now. Okay, give the onload function here. Let's change this to composition. Okay, now you can give the duration controller duration, animation controller duration. That duration from the with the Lottie duration. Okay, and make the controller repeat. Now let's reload the app and animation will start. Okay. Now let's create the let's give the size box here. Give the height of 15 and let's create elevated button dot icon and make the onPress function blank for now. Give the label text Let's write here play. Give the icon also. Icons dot play arrow. There you go. Come on top. And let's initialize the boolean here. Boolean is playing. Let's make it to true at first. Okay, perfect. Now roll down if. Okay, write the condition if is playing. Then we stop the animation. Otherwise, else we repeat the animation. Rebuild the state. Make the is playing, not playing, and vice versa. Okay, let's show this. Let's show the pause button if it's playing, or otherwise let's show this arrow button. Similarly to this label text also, if it's playing, then we show the pause text. Otherwise we show this play. Let's load the app again. And initially it's loaded. I mean animation is okay. And we can control the animation like this. Okay, below here, this elevated button, you can give the size box again. Just create this slider widget. Give the value from the controller. We get the value from the controller. Unchanged. Give the unchanged. This unchanged gives the new value. Okay, from the slider widget. Okay, give the controller dot value. New value coming from the slider value. Write the condition if is playing, then repeat the animation and build the UI. Okay, edit the slider. Expose it, and here you go. This is how you can control the animation with the slider. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's create the boolean here on top. If it's initialized, initially make it to false. Okay. And over here, let's copy this. If not is initialized, then only we repeat the animation. And now you can make the is initialized to true. Okay, guys, this is how you can add a Lottie animation in your Flutter project, and you can control the animation with Lottie animation with the animation controller of the Flutter. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.